area of a triangle is half of area of a triangle is half of the area of a parallelogram standing on the same base and between the same parallel lines. First of all, we draw the figure according to the theorem. Line AB and CD both are parallel to each other, and area of triangle, which is the half of area of parallelogram. So first of all, in the figure, we have denoted the areas of triangle and parallelogram which are standing on same base. The triangle ABC and triangle ABC and parallelogram ABDE, which are the standing on same base AB, and between the same parallel AB and CD. So first of all, you can write their given according to questions. Triangle ABC and parallelogram ABDE standing on same base AB and between the same parallel lines AB and CD. After that, we will go to proof. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half of the area of parallelogram ABDE. It is proved by the questions. Area of triangle ABC is equal to area of parallelogram ABDE. So there is a construction needed. We have to prove these questions. BF parallel to AC is drawn. Then we will be going to the proof. Statements. Reasons. In one number, I think you better know ABFE is a quadrilateral, but there is opposite sides are parallel, so you can write there ABFC is a parallelogram. And we have a question, we have a given from the questions ABDE is a parallelogram. So both parallelograms are standing on same base AB and between the same parallel ABCD. So parallelograms are equal. After that, in this parallelogram ABFC, BC is a diagonal. And I think you better know diagonal bisect the parallelogram. So triangle ABC equal to half of the parallelogram ABFC, and parallelogram ABFC is equal to parallelogram ABDE. So you can directly use there after that triangle ABC is equal to half of the parallelogram ABDE. So first of all we can add there ABFC is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallels in two number. Parallelogram ABFC equal to area of, you can write area of parallelogram ABFC equal to area of parallelogram ABDE. Both are standing on same base AB and between AB parallel CD. After that, in 3 number, area of triangle ABC is equal to half area of parallelogram ABFC. Diagonal BC bisects parallelogram ABFC. After that, you can add there area of triangle ABC is equal to half area of parallelogram ABCD. ABBC. From statements 2 and 3, which are false. We have to also prove this theorem by another ways. There is a given and to prove same as, and construction will be changed in another method. In that conditions, we have to construct an EF perpendicular AB. That means which is the height of triangle ABC and parallelogram ABDC. I think you better know the area of triangle. You think the area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. That means base is AB and height is EF, and parallelogram is equal to base into height. So you can direct there AB into EF. So in 3 number we can directly use there area of triangle ABC is equal to half of the area of ABCD.